Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Qanda app. You click on settings. Here in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above we can search about Qanda app. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. In the end you can go to Play Store and you can search about Qanda app. To update your app, if it's not working with you, you can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.